everyone, welcome back in the series of Python programming video shorts. So we were just working over the problem on constructor in Python. So let's just get another problem here to understand the constructor in a better manner. So we need to set a default values using the constructor. So the task we are having that we need to create a product class, okay, that have the constructor which sets a default price to 100 if no price is given. Okay, so let's just go to the Visual Studio Code and I'm going to create a class here of the product which is going to have the constructor in it and which is going to take the self as a parameter. Let's say name would be a parameter and price which would be a default price, that is the 100. Okay, and we are just going to get with self dot name from name, and let's just try to get self dot price equals to price, right? So let's just remove it, and here I'm just going to create a new function which is a show function which is going to again take a self parameter, and here we are going to just print out our name. Like we can just use out the product self dot name, and else we can use the price, that is self dot price, right? So by the help of formatted string, now let's just try to create the object for our product class, and let's just give the product as pen. Okay, and here by p1 let's just try to use the show method. Else if I'll just try to create my p2 object for the product second, which is let's say notebook, and we are going to give a new product's price value. Okay, let's say 500, and I'm just using out my p2 for to call show. Let's just try to run in both the cases. One would be default and one would be the manual value. You can see here if we haven't given the price value, so price is 100 automatically taken by the default manner, which is within the constructor we have given 100. But in case if we will give manually here, so that value 100 won't be here, only the fresh value would be given. This is how you can just get the default values by constructor. Thank you.